Hello, welcome back. Hello, guys. Today we are going to discuss about Tricentis Tosca. Okay. Yeah. So that's fine. So this is very important. It is it is a kind of barrier. You can say it will connect with the DevOps and testing team. Okay. So testing team and DevOps team very closely work with here with these two tools. So let me try to explain and try to make a architectural diagram using Tricentis and Jenkins. Let us try. Okay, I just prepared all these PPTs. So in this session only will make one kind of proper architecture diagram for Tosca Jenkins integration via API. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let me go here. Yeah, this is my previous class which I explained to my student, but I just want to utilize this because I don't want to create again and again unnecessarily. I do not waste my time. So I also have here, this is developer source code management. You can say developer, you can say I don't want to keep source code management. I can see here only developer. Okay, let me keep here as developer. Now yeah, so this is GitHub. I can use commit for commit purpose, and this is Jenkins pipeline. You can write here properly. Okay, and REST API call post, first step. So API call to the API. So I'm going to modify many things here. So this is not exact. Tosca server. Okay, I want Tosca server. So let me remove this. This is not required here in this project. So Tosca, Tricentis Tosca, let me use this. Okay, better for better visuals, good visuals. No. Okay, let me use this, and I want to remove this Tricentis. The background would be good because it is not, I could not able to see properly. Okay, it looks good. I'm going to remove all these things. Yeah, let me keep equal to this. Yeah, Tricentis. Next, Tosca server. You can consider this as a Tosca server. So let me keep here this name. Okay, I hope you can see this. Okay, next next Tosca agent, Tosca DEX Agent for Windows. Okay, so I'm going to remove all these things unnecessarily. You will confuse. Okay, next step would be like this. Let me keep better. I'll utilize this space only, so I'll keep here. Yeah, I want to utilize this also. Okay, so I want to make it bit small. Okay, yeah, So yeah, Tosca DEX Agents. Okay, I want to utilize this box if it is possible. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, these points are important. Project Tosca has Tosca installed and licensed. Okay, has project workspace ready. Read only workspace. So next runs execution list. Okay, we need to set up all these things. So let me keep here. I want to utilize this text. Copy, paste. Yeah, I hope you can see better. Okay, next results. Okay, next Tosca server result. Okay, Tosca server. This is Tosca server. Okay, okay, so yeah, I will remove this. I want to make here nothing I redefined anything. I did not make it anything ready, just in front of you I would like to do all the things. That's why it little a lag. Okay, it will be lag, don't feel bore. Okay, Tosca server results and next Jenkins. Yes, let me keep here one thing. Hello. Hmm. Sorry. Okay. Guys, actually, I'll just get back in 2 seconds. Just a wait. చెప్పు డాడీ. Yeah, sorry, I'm back. So let us continue. Okay, excuse me. Yeah, so this is what we are doing. So let me again retry. Yeah, this is Jenkins, right? Let me copy from here. I'll pull here. This would be good. Oh, right. This I'll remove this name. Tosca Server, Jenkins. This is for polls and download the logs. Next, JUnit. Okay, reports and build that also. I think that JUnit again. This will be helpful. The previous one I am using. Okay. Yes, JUnit. Okay, so let me. Okay, this is you can consider Jenkins API. REST call post. Let me keep this here. This is using Postman. We have to do all this setup. Maybe it will take a time. I'm just we are just making this. So let's do one thing. Prerequisites also will keep. Prerequisites. We should have this prerequisites Tosca server. Okay. Right. DEX Agents. The next one is project workspace. Next, execution list. next to service account. And certificates, TLS certificates, we'll see that also. Certificates, Jenkins, okay. So these are all steps I prepared. So these are all you can consider as prerequisites. Okay, right. Yeah, so see, this he is a developer. Developer will keep the code in GitHub. So Jenkins will be useful as CI/CD pipeline here. So next using it will call using API. Okay, so API maybe we can use we can also use Tosca plugins also, or you can use API REST API. So this is your optional. Let's see that what we're gonna see. It's not yet decided by me still. So let me think and do it while we are doing execution time. Okay, next to Tosca Tricentis, we have to install it using like this. You see my scene? Yeah, like this. So you have to install. You can keep here. You need to create workspace. So use workspace template name Jenkins CI/CD API project. You can keep like this. Proper naming conventions must be there. CI/CD Jenkins API project. So I'll keep like this. See, it will create new workspace for you for your new project. So let's wait for, yeah, this is your workspace. So these are all modules, these are all ribbon, okay, menu bar and sections. And these are all text cases, test cases you can keep here. These are all modules. See, you can keep modules. If you don't have any modules, user modules, you can able to do it by scanning. Okay, and requirements, whatever requirements you can keep, and test case design you can do it here. Test case design and execution related you can keep here. Once after if you can't run in production, you can't run test cases all here one by one, because while we are creating and scanning, and if you want to run it individually, you can do it from here itself. But if you want to run all the test cases at a time, you can execute by using execute section. Okay, if you can report here issues, configuration, test planning, and everything you can keep here. So this is the view. Okay, this is all view about this Tosca Commander, and you can say workspace. So this is all about. Okay, so yeah, I think this is somewhat fine. Let me do more research, and I'll come up with a proper execution plan. So you can consider this as project. Okay, Tosca integration via API. This is a project. You can consider this is a kind of project, so which I am preparing. So with my experience, I'm trying to make it ready with you. Make it ready for you. All right, that's great. It looks fine. Some yeah, let us get it ready. So next what we have to do is we have to keep the ready code here. And so CI/CD pipelines means Jenkins we need to configure. So next class we will configure Jenkins, and also Tricentis already got ready. So this is the workspace, and remaining remaining this whatever the things related to Tosca DEX Agents is, this we have to configure, and Tosca servers related, and Jenkins and JUnit. We all Jenkins JUnit means it is a plugin, so we can, if you want, we can utilize this also. So let me do more research for this, and I'll come up with the execution plan. So next class part, you can consider this as a part one, and in part two, you can see the execution plan one by one. Installation and configurations we can do it by um, yeah, we can do it in part two. Okay, execution we can do it, execution in the sense configurations, clearly configuration we can do it in part 2. So which means Nginx, how to install the Nginx, and Tricentis workspace is already ready, and Tosca installation licensed, everything this has been ready, and desk agents will see that using Windows, and Tosca server will see that, and related to plugins, any important, any useful plugins we can able to uh, we can able to use using Jenkins plugins, using like that. And also whatever Jenkins JUnit plugin, that will also will be uh, we can also download the plugins and we can configure. That's it. So this is all about Tosca Jenkins integration via API. This is a, you can consider this as a small architecture for this project. So next class we'll see about yeah, um, all installations regarding Jenkins and all.